How I prepare my roasted turkey from 1 to 4. Firstly, I got my turkey out from the freezer. Allow it to sit for some time before unwrapping it. Guys, if you need to prepare your frozen food, you need to get them out early enough so that it will be easy for you to unwrap and start preparation. So I got it out for like 4 to 5 hours before I started the preparation. So after unwrapping it, I set it aside and got my ingredients ready. Comprises of pepper, garlic, ginger, 4 cubes of maggi and whole onion. Thereafter, I started washing my ingredients. That is cut bonnet pepper right there. Then I got my habanero pepper next to it. Then wash my ginger, garlic, onion. I already unwrapped my 4 cubes of star maggi is in the plate. Then I'm going to blend all this together before I use the mixture to marinate my turkey. So that is, watch and see what I'm doing. So I raise my bowl, set it aside. That is where I will be pouring my mixture into it after blending. So I started blending. After blending for some time, I got my onions, cut it into smaller chops so that it will be easy for blending. That is actually the result after marinating it. Guys, if you are wondering, I'm cutting directly from my hand. I'm used to it. I'm used to cutting directly from my hand. Even though I have a chopping board, I never remember to use it. I cut everything directly from my hand and I did not get any hurt. I was safe doing it. I'm used to doing it. Okay. So I continue blending till I get my desired smoothie. Then I remember I went to check if I was recording. Fortunately, I was actually recording. I would have cried if I was not recording. So I continue blending till I get my desired paste. Thereafter, I poured my mixture into a bowl, set the mixture aside, then got my turkey to start the marinating process. Oh, before I started marinating, I got my turkey into the sink. As you can see, I tried to get the parts out from the turkey and start washing. So guys, I was able to get the fats and the string out and wash the turkey properly before marinating. Watch, guys. That is a string right there. String like rope they use in tying the turkey together. So I was able to get it out from the turkey and I continue washing. And wash it till the turkey was thoroughly washed. Then after washing the turkey, I set it aside. I put it in the tray, set it aside. Then wash my pot so that I can use my pot to marinate the turkey. So I'll wash my pot in case there is any dirt in it. I will not eat sand. So I washed it, set it aside. Then this is me trying to transfer my turkey into the pot. So unfortunately, it feels like the pot was too small for the turkey. But I think later I'll figure out how to use the pot because I don't have any other pot. Then I started cutting the turkey like this, just as you see. The reason why I'm doing this was because I want the mixture to get into it, because I've made series of turkey in the past which the taste did not really come out well because I did not do this. The ingredient did not really enter inside of the turkey, so I thought of doing this. We made the ingredient penetrate, so I've given it a try by doing this, and the ingredient, I really got the best taste ever. That is why I'm trying it again, even if I did not record it before. I did not record the turkey I've made in the past. That is why I choose this method. In case you are making any frozen food like chicken, turkey, make sure you cut it open like this before pouring your ingredient. That is how you get the best taste you desire. Okay? So after pouring it for some time, I remember I did not add my salt. Guys, I only blended my ingredient with 4 cubes of star Maggi, which will not be enough to give my turkey desired taste. So I added salt to give the turkey the desired taste. Then I added the little water so that it can mix the salt pepper mixture together properly. I got my spoon, stir it thoroughly, then tasted it to be sure that is the taste I needed. Guys, I was really tasty raw pepper. If you are wondering, who does that? I do that. Hands in the air. I do that. I didn't really feel any pepperish or hotness. I'm used to doing it. So that is how I tasted it before continue pouring the mixture, the ingredients into the turkey. Then I remember that my ingredient was not actually getting off the inside of the turkey, so I got my brush so I can apply the ingredient. I will be able to use it to apply the ingredients inside the turkey. So I continue pouring it, then turn the turkey on the other side and continue doing the same, pouring the ingredients in it. Watch me. So the ingredient was not enough, the one I wanted to use before. Thank God I had extra ingredients, so I got my spoon and took from it, started doing it. After that, I transferred my turkey into the pot. Thank God I was able to maneuver the turkey into the toe. I was succeeded in putting it out inside the pot. So I allowed the turkey to sit in the pot for like 2 hours before starting to roast it. Guys, you can actually leave this turkey for more than 2 hours. It can be 5 hours, but me, I did not have enough time to leave it in the pot before roasting it because I was actually working on that day, so I just marinated it for 2 hours. But for you to get a better taste, the longer you allow the turkey to stay, the better taste it will get, the better the ingredient will be able to penetrate inside it properly. So after 2 hours, I transferred it into my tray. Then I used the brush to brush the top of the ingredient that was on top of the turkey inside of it, because if I leave it like that, it's going to burn as soon as I put it in the oven. So I was able to brush it inside, as you can see me do. Then I turn on the oven. I use the broil. I don't know how to pronounce that. It's hard for me. I use it low heat of it. Then roasted the turkey for 2 hours. This is the final result, guys. After I got the final result, I thought garnishing it will make it more attractive and pleasant for eating. So I diced my tomato, onion, and yellow bell pepper. Then I started garnishing it, guys. After garnishing it with it, I thought it was not still attractive enough, so I got my salad to add to garnish it more. Watch me, guys. That is it. That is me putting the salad on the side to add more beauty to the turkey. Actually prepare this turkey for our Thanksgiving Day. Guys, I make jollof rice also, which we dine with this turkey. I'll be posting the video later on another day. I'll be posting the video on how I prepared the jollof rice. Guys, make sure you like, comment, and share this video so that, and also follow my page so that you will get more of my cooking videos. Guys, support your girl. Please support me. Watch my video, share my video, like and share. I promise to give you a great content. This is the final result. Thank you, guys. Bye.